Be ready. Start. The last few decades have been monumental when it comes to technological development. Humans have developed systems and machines that make our lives easier, especially during the early modern period from the early 16th century to as far as the late 18th century, also commonly referred to as the scientific revolution ahead in development in such a short time frame compared to all of history. However, with the development of society, there has been a severe detriment to the quality of Earth's environment. One of the most massive threats to the condition of the planet is climate change. Inadequate research and reckless misuse of natural resources are some of the core reasons for the deteriorating condition of the planet. Ever since the industrial and scientific revolution, moreover, the onset of the exponential increase in the world's population is also very taxing on the environment simply as the need for consumption of the population increases. Both the utilization of natural resources and the waste generated from the use of said resources have also increased massively. Climate change is not just the rise or fall of temperature of different areas of the world, but it also a change in the rain cycle, wind patterns, cyclone frequencies, sea levels, etc. Global warming is often considered an effect of climate change resulted the rapid increase in the temperature of Earth's environment that is causing many life-threatening issues. Global warming is a dangerous effect on our environment that we are facing these days. Rapid industrialization, increase in the population growth, and pollution are causing a rise. It refers to the increase in the average temperature of the Earth's surface during the last century. It is dangerous because it disturbs the overall ecology of the planet. This results in floods, cyclones, and other issues. There are many causes and results of this warning and is a danger for the existence of life on earth. The sign of global warming is already visible with many natural phenomena happening around globally affecting each living species. On average, the world's temperature is about 1.5 degrees centigrade higher than during the start of the Industrial Revolution in the late 17th century. That may not seem a lot to you, but that is an average estimate. This number is only increasing. Many parts of the world face far more severe changes in temperature that affect the planet's overall health. In 1950, the world's CO2 emissions were at 6 billion tons, which had increased in volume. The most evident causes of global warming are industrialization, urbanization, deforestation, and sophisticated human activities. These human activities have led to an increase in the emission of greenhouse gases including CO2, nitrous oxide, methane and others. A variety of reasons causes global warming, some of which can be controlled personally by individuals but others are only expected to be solved by communities and the world leaders and activists at the global level. Many scientists believe the main four reasons for global warming according to recent studies, are greenhouse gases, deforestation, pollution. It is certainly an alarming situation which is causing a significant impact on life existence. Extreme global warming is resulting in natural calamities which is quite evident happening around. One of the reasons behind this is the extreme release of greenhouse gases stuck on the earth's surface, resulting in the temperature increase. One of the significant causes behind global warming is the increase in the population. This increase in the population also results in air pollution. Automobiles release a lot of carbon dioxide which remains stuck in the earth. The increase in the population is also leading to deforestation, which further results and more trees are being cut, increasing the concentration of CO2. The greenhouse is the natural process where the sunlight passes through the area, thus warming the earth's surface. The earth's surface releases energy in the form of heat in the atmosphere, maintaining the balance with the incoming energy. It depletes the ozone layer, leading to the doomsday. There is a clear indication that the increase in global warming will lead to the complete extinction of life from the earth's surface. Global warming cannot be blamed on individuals. However, it can be tackled and maintained from worsening starting at the individual level. Additionally, at the state or central government level, world leaders need to create concrete plans and step programs to ensure that no further harm is being caused to the environment in general. Although we are almost late in slowing down the global warming rate, it is crucial to find the right solution. From individuals to governments, everyone has to work upon it by controlling pollution, population, and use of natural resources are some of the factors to consider. Switching over to the electric and hybrid car is the best way to bring down the carbon dioxide, which will reduce pollution and congestion. Another significant contribution to minimize the use of plastic, which is the primary cause. Deforestation is another thing to consider that will help in controlling global warming. Planting of more trees should be encouraged to make the environment go green. Industrialization should be under certain norms. The building of industries should be banned in green zones affecting plants and species. Hefty penalties should be levied on such sectors contributing towards global warming. As an aware citizens of the world, we must make sure only the truth is presented in the media. Various parts of the environment, both flora and fauna, are directly adversely affected by the damages caused by global warming. Wildlife being in danger is ultimately a serious threat to the survival of humanity as we know it and its future. The effect of global warming is widely seen in this decade. Glacier retreat and Arctic shrinkage are the two common phenomena seen and are melting in a fast way. These are pure examples of climate change. Rise in sea level is another significant effect of global warming and leading to floods in low-lying areas. Extreme weather conditions are witnessed in many countries. Unseasonal rainfall, extreme heat and cold, wildfires, and others are common every year. The number of these cases is increasing. This will indeed imbalance the ecosystem, bringing the result of the extinction of species. Moreover, humans too will witness the negative impact of global warming in the end.